powerful earthquake rocked Greece today, causing shaking in the capital Athens. The shallow quake at 12:16 p.m. local time had a magnitude 6.3, the US Geological Service said. It was followed by a 1 magnitude aftershock 18 minutes later. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center rated the first quake's magnitude at 6.2 and said it struck central Greece at a depth of 6 miles. Shallower earthquakes are typically felt more strongly and are more destructive, but there are no reports of damage. The Athens Geodynamic Institute said that the epicentre was around 12 miles south of the town of Elassona, and locals in nearby Larissa fled their homes and ran into the streets. Witnesses said buildings were shaking and dust was rising, and one house is said to have shaken like a fire service official in Athens, more than 150 miles away, said there were no reports of damage or injuries so far. But he added, "My colleagues felt it was strong." Greek seismologist Vassilis Karathanasis told state television the tremor was felt across Greece.